Harriet's looking outside. I'm about to shut the blinds. We're going to bed. We'll get up early tomorrow and walk in the morning, or relatively early. I just posted the pictures of the cats up for adoption. And it looks like a lot of those cats did get adopted, but I posted a message about the adoptions and about Clear the Shelters Month. Let me show you Richard too before we crash. For Clear the Shelters Month, 17 cats have been adopted. That's pretty good. I think that's more than a normal month. And that was with like 5 days left this month, so there could be more since then. All in all, it's been a successful month of cat adoptions for town cats, it sounds like. Hopefully we finish the month strong with more. Good night.